as file manager does in PC. And you're looking at, on the left here, you're looking at my entire computer, okay? And I have, these are a variety of big folders here. Dropbox is one, Documents is the one on my computer, Desktop's literally what's on my desktop, and then OneDrive. And so I keep all my professional work in a OneDrive folder. And then I keep all my personal things like my pictures and my will and all that kind of stuff in my in Dropbox. I just keep them separate.
Yeah.
Okay. So now so you can see here OneDrive, and it probably makes sense to you. I've got things on research methods where I store my PDFs. Okay. Now the OneDrive folder here is a sync folder for the OneDrive up in the cloud.
Yeah.
So if you look up here, like I'm going to add a file right now. I'm going to add a folder, right? Okay, folder. I'll go new folder. As soon as I hit return, it's actually doing it right now. See, if you see up there on the top there's a little icon of a cloud there.
Oh yeah.
That matches the OneDrive cloud. And so I'm gonna name it one folder 2, and watch, it'll change it, right? Or it should. No, come on, there it is. It's updating it right now.
Yeah.
So everything I keep in my OneDrive sync file on my computer, the minute I do anything to it, it's updated to the cloud. Okay. So so let's say a miscreant ran into my house right this moment, okay, and grabbed my computer and ran right out of the house, right? And my dog and I couldn't trip them before they got back out the door. I've lost nothing. I mean, I've lost my computer, right? But I've lost nothing of all my work because it's all in the cloud. So what you need to do is you need to keep a folder in the cloud. You need to have on your computer, and it works the same with PC. You need to keep a folder on your computer that's a sync folder that's synced up to OneDrive or Dropbox or Google Drive or one of them. It doesn't really matter which one, but one of them.
Yeah.
And then keep everything in there. For instance, okay, if you go to dissertation, right? I'm going to open this up here. And you go to Daniel, right? I keep everything that you send me in my Daniel folder.
Yeah.
And I keep it and I always have it by date. So if I need to know, okay, Daniel says, Cass, have you looked at my latest draft, the results section of my latest draft of manuscript 2? And I'm like, I got 60 of these. So, but I'll go to the cloud, and I'll go to manuscript 2, and I'll look for the latest date, and then I'll open it up.
Yes.
That's how you sort of want to organize
Oh my
things.
God, I wish I could be this organized.
Well, I can't say that I'm naturally, I don't have an accountant type personality, right? I just don't. But over time, I just have so much that I've just sort of learned this system. Yes. And you can see anytime you get a file back from me, it always has the date on it. Like,
yeah.
Oh yeah, like here, Daniel manuscript 2 with Dykeman comments 1/10/21. Or whatever. Yeah. So, and then okay, that one